why bugs are important for nature. Hey kids! Today, we're gonna meet some tiny but mighty heroes of our planet, insects. Welcome to the incredible world of tiny heroes.
Insects are the small creatures with 6 legs, wings, or antennae. They might look little, but they do big jobs in nature.
Let's start with bees. When bees visit flowers, they carry pollen from one flower to another.
This is called pollination, and it helps plants make fruits and seeds.
Without bees, we wouldn't have yummy foods like apples, watermelons, or strawberries.
Some insects are nature's cleaners. Ants, beetles, and even flies help break down
dead plants and animals. This recycling keeps our earth clean and makes the soil healthy for new plants to grow.
Insects are also food for many animals like birds, frogs, fish, and
even other insects. Without bugs, many animals would go hungry.
So remember, insects might be tiny, but they're super important. They help plants grow, clean up nature,
and feed other animals. Next time you see a bug, instead of saying, "Ew," maybe say, "Thank you, little helper."
Thanks for watching. Stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of life science.